So when two tryptophan residue closely align with each other in a coherent manner, they hop onto each other's energy, and this hopping mechanism, which is the entrance and the exits of each other's energy in the coherent states, it's called the exciton coupling. So now when you have understood the basics of tryptophan and protein filaments, this brings us to the third stage of their study, when there are multiple exciton coupling takes place, which is about when multiple tryptophan oriented filament entering and exiting each other's energy in a coherent state. Together, these multiple exciton coupling emits a radiation. This is the basic definition of what we call superradiance. So it's the phenomenon in which a group of atoms and molecules in a coherent state emit the radiations. So the structures like cytoskeleton, protein filament, and the microtubules have these tryptophan residues which can act like a quantum antenna. Superradiant states with these tryptophan-rich fibers can process information astonishingly fast, around like 10 trillion operations per second. That's more than billion times faster than the traditional models of neural computation based on action potentials in the neurons. One more thing you need to notice is that for decades, neuroscientists have modeled cognition using spiking neurons at the basic information units. But such models actually ignore the vast majority of the Earth's life, which is organisms without nervous systems. Think about bacteria, fungi, or plants. His calculations that biological systems already perform quantum computations with error connection rates and the energy efficiencies that outspace even the best artificial systems built today. This discovery is already pretty much interesting. That what makes it more interesting is that tryptophan and similar molecules have been found in the interstellar space. What that means is that some astrochemicists actually believe that they might be the precursors to life, and if the superradiant quantum signaling is the fundamental property of these structures, Turian's idea could influence on how we look out for life beyond the Earth. According to me, this is actually a serious breakthrough in the history of neuroscience and quantum biology. So what are your thoughts on this? Tell me about it in the comment section and follow for more.